Good day everyone, you are welcome to Geojay GIS Solution Tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today I want to show you how to split polygons into individual shapefile in QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share. Thank you. So let's go to QGIS interface and bring in the data we want to use. Click on Add Vector Data. Navigate to the folder where the data is. In this exercise, I want to use this Enugu LGAs. Click Open, click Add, Close. Now we have these polygons and we want to split it into individual shapefile. So let's go to the attribute table and see the field in the attribute table. So we have these various fields in the attribute table. We have about 17 polygons in that very single polygon. So these 17 polygons, if we want to split it into their individual polygon shapefile, how do we do that? That's what I want to show you. So the next thing to do, let's label it. Go to Properties, come to Label, Single Labels. We want to use the name to label it. Click on OK. So we have these 17 polygons in one polygon. So we want to split it into their individual polygon or shapefile. So to do that, the first thing to do is to create a folder where you want to split this polygon into. So to do that, let's go to here. Let me create a new folder here and call it Enugu LGA. Okay, so I've created a folder now where I want to split the polygon into. Let's go back to our QGIS. Now to split these polygons into their individual shapefile, what to do is that you come to Vector, come to Data Management Tools, come to Split Vector Layer, click on that. Now here you will under Parameters, the input layer is Enugu LGAs, and the field we want to use to split it, we want to use the name to split it. Then our output directory, click here and go to the folder we just created, this folder Enugu LGAs. Click on that and click on Select Folder. It has been selected, so click on Run. In few seconds to 1 minute, it will run and split this polygon. So it has been splitted. So click on Close. Now let's go back to the folder we created, this very folder Enugu LGAs. If you click it, you can see now that the 17 items, the 17 polygons that made up the Enugu we used has been split into their individual shapefile. So now, what is the essence of this? The essence of this is that, for example, maybe this is your whole study area, you want to collect data, and you are sending enumerators to field to collect data, and you want to divide these bigger polygons for them. So instead of you giving them the whole thing, you can give each person his or her own polygon or area to go to and enumerate. So this is one of the essence of splitting bigger polygons into individual shapefile or polygons. So now, to appreciate it more, let's bring in, for example, we have splitted all these polygons into their individual shapefile. Let's bring in, for example, this one is Uzo. So to do that, click on Add Vector, navigate to the folder. In this case, it is this Enugu. You can see it has been splitted, and because we used name, that's why it's adding name in front of each of the polygon. So we use the field called name to split it. So let's say we want to load this. Click on it and click Open. Click Add. Close. So you can see this one now has been added. If you uncheck the original data, you can see this one. This very particular area or particular polygon has been added. Let's assume we want to add this one, this Ogu. So click here, navigate to that same folder, this one, click on it and click open, click add, close. So this is it. So you've been able to split the whole polygons into their individual shapefile or polygons. So this is how to split polygons into individual shapefile in QGIS. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. You can see this also. So this is how to do it.